About Perlove. Lead with science and technology. Build dreams with ingenuity. Ever since the company was founded in 2003, Perlove Medical is a high-tech enterprise integrating the research, production, sales, and after-sales service of medical X-ray imaging equipment and orthopedic surgery robots. While the focus of these activities has varied, one thing has never changed. Perlove is customer demand-oriented and has always demonstrated a strong commitment to society with the right and qualified product and service. As a high-tech company, Perlove firmly engages in self-research and technology innovation to make products close to clinical demands and continuously enhance medical technology. All come to help the improvement of global medical condition and reduce the medical cost. Located in Nanjing, China, Perlove's products are serving clients in over 100 countries and districts across the globe. Perlove Medical has consistently prioritized customer needs and remained closely attuned to clinical demands. We have been dedicated to delivering imaging products and services to numerous medical institutions, both domestically and internationally. By driving the advancement of medical technology, we aim to ensure that an increasing number of patients can access meticulous and compassionate healthcare services. Our commitment is to facilitate the progress of medical science and technology, while focusing on the well-being of patients. Through these efforts, we aspire to create a world where healthcare is both advanced and empathetic.